Now we're reborn.
Reborn. Reborn.
Kahit anong trip pwede mo sabihin dyan. May mga Tagalog din na nag-ano dyan eh. Tapos, halimbawa, pag may nag-chat dyan na ano,
안녕하세요, guys. 오빠, 사랑해. 배고파요.
hi Nikati! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's our YouTube channel. And guys, this is my best friend. Change outfit isang soon because I'm gonna go out. I just want to introduce my friend April. This is my account. This channel will be Izang and April vlog, not Izang because we're sharing the same vlog.
And
from
also,
right now.
we will do prank together. Yes.
I will
Keep tuning.
soon. Soon you will see me in a sexy outfit again. But tonight I will go outside because I'm so busy right now. I just want to introduce you my friend April.
Ba't nawawala yung chat nila?
Gaganon mo yun para mabasa. Tapos kung bawa,
Yeah, she is
thank you
very
so much,
beautiful.
Negati, but we're both beautiful. And she's so sexy too. I'm sexy, but she's sexy too.
No.